fix Wi-Fi missing in Windows 10 or 11. Check network adapters. Using the search bar, type in CMD and open command prompt. Here you need to type ping space 127.1.1 and .1. Now press enter. If you get replies, your network adapter is working fine. Step 2. You need to check WLAN auto config service. For that, you need to press Windows plus R. After that, you need to simply type in services.msc and click OK button. Scroll down to find WLAN auto config. So here it is. Now you have to simply right click, select on Start, and after that you need to go ahead and open Properties. You need to set up the start type or startup type to automatic and click Apply, then click on OK button. And simply restart your computer and check whether your Wi-Fi missing issue has been resolved or not. If not yet, you can simply reset internet settings as well. Again, you need to press Windows plus R and you need to type in I need cpl.cpl and click on OK button again. Now you have to restore advanced settings. Simply you have to go to Advanced tab at top right corner of the screen, and you have to click on Restore Advanced Settings and click Apply, and then click OK button to save the changes. Once you have done that, you can simply reset the networks as well. You can go ahead and search settings, and after that go ahead and open network and internet. Now from here you can simply click on Reset Now option, and then simply you need to reinstall all network adapters and restart your computer. By doing so, your Wi-Fi missing issues on Windows 10 or 11 will be fixed. That's it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.